Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I wanted to try something a little different. I was wondering what the best vlogging camera is, whether it is the GoPro Hero 7 or the iPhone X. So I'm gonna be just doing random stuff today, something I try to do every day, which is gonna be running. Alright, also I'll be shooting both the iPhone X and the GoPro Hero 7 Black in 4K 24 frames per second, so they're the same. Let's go. All right, guys, just finished like a mile run. I started keto back up again, I think 2 days ago, so I'm definitely noticing a little fatigue in my running. So all right, now we're about to go swimming. There we go. All right, I think you're gonna know which camera this is. This is one reason why I love the GoPro 7 Hero Black, because I can go in the water and not worry about it breaking. The downside to the GoPro Hero 7 in the water is the audio quality kind of goes down once it gets wet. Yeah, that's the one downfall. Another cool feature about this GoPro is this mount I have, this stick. I could, here we go, unhook it and just put this down, put it in my mouth, and let's go. Pretty dope, right? I will leave the links in the description if you guys like it. So yeah, check them out. What's up, guys? So this is the bite mount I was talking about. It just goes in your mouth like this, and you just click record, and it should switch to like that way, so it doesn't record upside down. So you're in luck. And then this just, where's that? This just connects to there, so you could. All right, let's do this. All right, I think that's a wrap. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next video.